I'm delighted to welcome you all to the Apec workshop on promoting energy-efficient and resilient data centers in the Apec region. It's our honor to host this Apec-funded workshop. Apec economies consume approximately 60% of the world's energy. As the region becomes increasingly developed and the population shifts from rural to urban areas, consumption will continue to increase. In 2011, Apec leaders set a goal to reduce aggregate energy intensity by 45% by 2035 against the 2005 level. As part of Hong Kong's continuous effort in support of the Apec's goal, in 2015, we set a more aggressive target to reduce energy intensity by 40% by 2025, 10 years earlier. With the joint efforts of the public and different sectors of the community, our energy intensity decreased over 30% from 2005 to 2019. Notwithstanding the above, we still need to make enduring efforts to achieve energy efficiency and conservation goals in addressing the climate crisis. In 2020, we announced our commitment to achieving carbon neutrality before 2050. In October 2021, we published the Hong Kong's Climate Action Plan 2050, outlining 4 proactive decarbonization strategies to achieve our pledge, covering net zero electricity generation, energy saving and green buildings, wind transport and waste reduction. The Hong Kong SAR government will invest some US $30 billion in the next 15 to 20 years to support decarbonization and climate adaptation measures, which will at the same time create many job opportunities in a green economy. Buildings account for 90% of Hong Kong's electricity consumption, and over 60% of our carbon emissions are attributed to generating electricity for our buildings. On a more strategic level, we will reduce building energy consumption not only as an end in itself, but also as a means to lessen the financial burden on the public due to the increased use of clean fuels for electricity generation. We have set a goal to reduce the electricity consumption of commercial buildings by 30 to 40% and that of residential buildings by 20 to 30% from the 2015 level by 2050 and achieve half of the targets by 2035. We recorded an increasing demand for electricity consumption in the data center industry. Hong Kong is an international financial, trading and logistics hub and home to regional offices and headquarters of many global corporations. High performance and secure data centers are essential infrastructure that support the continued growth of digital economy. Over the years, we have built up a robust telecommunications infrastructure and reliable power supply, which render Hong Kong an ideal location for data centers. Data centers and data transmission networks are emerging as an important energy demand sector. Despite their data services contributing to merely 1% of the global electricity demand, the rapid advancement in data analytics, artificial intelligence, and emerging digital technologies, for instance, blockchain, machine learning, 5G, and virtual reality, are expected to boost the demand for data services and the energy for them. In recognizing the associated energy and environmental concerns due to the accelerating demand for data services, new data centers should be encouraged to use green and resilient designs. At the same time, existing data centers should undergo transformation to address the challenges. We are committed to promoting green computing initiatives throughout the entire life cycle of a data center. We have been collaborating actively with industry bodies, technology vendors, and service providers to research, develop, and promote best practices and technologies for energy-smart data centers. A Green Data Centers Practice Guide has been developed to advocate energy-efficient data center design, procurement, operation, and disposal. An assessment tool, Beam Plus Data Centers, has been tailored for the assessment and improvement of energy efficiency and green performance of data centers with high power and cooling system consumption, including energy use, management, integrated design, and construction management, etc. We are actively promoting the development of innovative technologies in data centers. For instance, supporting trial projects on liquid immersion cooling to enable high-density and high-performance computing while improving energy efficiency and reliability of service. Looking ahead, we will consider expanding the scope of regulation regarding the energy efficiency standards of building services installations, including mandating the implementation of identified energy management opportunities. Meanwhile, we will explore incorporating district cooling systems in new development areas and make full use of green innovations and technologies to optimize the operation of these systems. To conclude, from the macro perspective, data centers help lower the overall energy consumption of the whole community. Through the operation of data centers, information and communication technology applications contribute significantly to environmental sustainability in areas such as supply chain management, energy management, telecommuting for travel reduction, and intelligent transport systems. Shaping a sustainable tomorrow requires the participation of every economy in the region. This workshop provides a platform for fostering energy efficient and resilient data centers, driving economies to achieve energy reduction goals. My appreciation to all fellow Apec economies for joining hands together to deepen the collaboration in promoting green data centers in a bid to strive towards carbon neutrality. I wish you all a rewarding workshop.